Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix Messenger could not complete call. Let's see how to solve this problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Go to phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search or find out Messenger app, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Open on Google Play Store, search Messenger app, update Messenger app if showing on Play Store or App Store. Now go to Messenger app,